The Total Transformation workshop is different because unlike a CLE or a big seminar that we teach at, this is an intimate group where you get a lot of one-on-one time, and then having a coach that works with you one-on-one to not only show you how to do it, but also build the confidence that you need to know that you can do it on your own after you leave.
There's no substitute for meeting live and in person and actually sitting around a table with people, like-minded lawyers who have maybe different practices from mine, but they're in very similar practice settings, mostly solos or small firms, and they're dealing with the same kind of practice issues that I am, the biggest one being marketing.
Everyone's invested and it's intimate. Most seminars and trainings are significantly larger, and you know, it's a chance for you to go in the back row and take a nap. You can't do that here.
In the boot camps, we have like about 50 people that come, and the problem with that is you can't give those people individual attention of the type that you need to give them in order to get them to take action.
We have refined our ideal client so that we can target them with specific marketing. We've put together a lead generating system involving an email campaign and various other types of marketing. And we've been shown both the mechanisms by which to implement them and have actually been given the mechanisms themselves. So literally, when we walk out of here today, we're ready to hit the ground running.
It's very hands-on. Ernie's a taskmaster. He challenges you to come up with new content and new ways to say things.
I don't naturally embrace technology as easily as the younger lawyers do, so I felt like I needed that little push forward to be able to do the things that I knew my practice needed in order for it to be the kind of practice I really want.
It's been difficult for me to integrate all these concepts into my practice without a little bit of extra help. And so I've found that being here and having the help it's provided with someone actually looking over my shoulder as I'm writing my lead magnet has been very, very beneficial in terms of finally getting it done, getting it out of theory and into practice.
We basically stand behind them and talk to them about how to do it, and sometimes take their computer and type into it for them.
We are working on creating Scott's lead magnet, and then as soon as that is complete, we're going to move into creating the email campaign that's going to be sent to everyone who downloads it from his website or that retrieves it through another type of campaign.
There's such an extraordinary amount of stuff to learn, especially I've been practicing law for 40 years, despite my youthful good looks. And, you know, as an old dog, I needed to learn a lot of new tricks.